त्रयोदशः सर्गः The 13th chapter विमानात्तु सुसंक्रम्य प्राकारं हरियूथपः हनुमान् वेगवानासीद् यथा विद्युद्घनान्तरे Hanuman, the leader of the Vanaras, jumped from the Pushpaka Vimana to the boundary wall like a flash of lightning in the middle of thick rain clouds. सम्परिक्रम्य हनुमान् रावणस्य निवेशनात् अदृष्ट्वा जानकीं सीतामब्रवीद्वचनं कपिः. Going around the palace of Ravana, unable to find Devi Janaki, Hanuman spoke to himself thus: भूयिष्ठन् लोडिता लङ्का रामस्य चरता प्रियं न हि पश्यामि वैदेहीं सीतां सर्वाङ्गशोभनाम्. On my duty to please Lord Rama, I have thoroughly surveyed the entire city of Lanka, but I am unable to find the resplendent Devi Sita. पल्वलानि तटाकानि सरांसि सरितस्तथा नद्योऽनूपवनान्ताश्च दुर्गाश्च धरणीधराः लोडिता वसुधा सर्वा न तु पश्यामि जानकीम्. I have searched the ponds, lakes, streams and rivers. I have searched all over the gardens and the invincible forests and mountains. I have searched all over the land but have not been able to find Devi Janaki. Iha sampatina Sita Ravanasya niveshane आख्याता गृध्रराजेन न च पश्यामि तामहम्. Sampati, the king of vultures, had said that Devi Sita is at Ravana's palace, but I have not been able to find her. Kim nu Sitatha Vaidehi Maithili Janakatmaja Upatishtheta Vivasha Ravanan Dushtacharinam. Can it be that Maithili, daughter of King Janaka, dejected and helpless, succumbed to the evil intentions of Ravana? क्षिप्रमुत्पततो मन्ये सीतामादाय रक्षसः बिभ्यतो रामबाणानामन्तरा पतिता भवेत्. Or perhaps she might have been dropped midway from the hold of Ravana while he was flying at great speed, afraid of the deadly arrows of Rama. अथवा ह्रियमाणायाः पथि सिद्धनिषेविते मन्ये पतितमार्याया हृदयं प्रेक्ष्य सागरम्. Or else, perhaps while being taken across the sky on the path frequented by Siddhas, her heart might have sunk looking at the uncrossable sea. रावणस्योरुवेगेन भुजाभ्यां पीडितेन च तया मन्ये विशालाक्ष्या त्यक्तं जीवितमार्यया. Or maybe under the pressure of Ravana's limbs as he was nabbing her, the large-eyed Devi Sita might have lost her life. Uparyupari vanunam sagarang kramatastada viveshtamana patita sagare janakatmaja. Or she might have fallen into the sea while wriggling in her effort to free herself from the hold of Ravana as he was flying higher and higher over the sea. अहो क्षुद्रेण वानेन रक्षन्ति शीलमात्मनः अबन्धुर्भक्षिता सीता रावणेन तपस्विनी. Oh, the austere Devi Sita, distanced from her relatives, might have been devoured by the cruel Ravana while trying to protect her chastity. अथवा राक्षसेन्द्रस्य पत्नीभिरसिते क्षणा अदुष्टा दुष्टभावाभिर्भक्षिता सा भविष्यति. Or else the pious, dark-eyed Devi Sita might have been eaten by the cruel wives of the Lord of Rakshasas. सम्पूर्णचन्द्रप्रतिमं पद्मपत्रनिभेक्षणं रामस्य ध्यायति वक्त्रं पञ्चत्वं कृपणागता. Or she might have attained to unity with the five elements, meditating upon Rama, whose face resembles the full moon and the eyes the lotus petals. Ha Rama Lakshmanetyevam hayodhye cheti maithili vilapya bahu vaidehi nyastadeha bhavishyati. Or Vaidehi, the prince of Mithila, might have cast off her life grieving intensely, remembering Rama, Lakshmana and Ayodhya. Athava nihita manye Ravanasya niveshane Nunan lalapyate Sita panjarasthe vasharika. Or I think Devi Sita might have been imprisoned in a cage like a weeping Sharika bird in Ravana's palace. Janakasya suta Sita Rama patni sumadhyama Kathamutpala patrakshi Ravanasya vasham vrajet. Oh, how could Janaki, the daughter of Janaka, the wife of Sri Rama, the lady with a beautiful waist and eyes like lotus petals, fall into the hands of Ravana? Vinashtava pranashtava mritava janakatmaja Ramasya priya bharyasya nani vedayitum kshamam. If the daughter of King Janaka is lost, irretrievable or dead, it is not to be reported to Lord Rama, who is very fond of his wife. Nivedyamane doshasya doshasya Kathannu khalu kartavyam vishamam pratibhati me. To convey such a message would be a mistake, and not to convey it would be a mistake too. How to perform this task then? It seems immensely difficult to me. Asminnevam gate karye prapta kalang kshamancha kim Bhavediti matam bhuyo hanuman pravicharayat. I wonder what the right course of action is when things have taken such a turn. What is proper for me to do? Hanuman thought thus once again. Yadi Sitam adrishtvaham vanarendra purimitah Gamishyami tatah ko me purushartho bhavishyati. If I return to the city of Vanaras without seeing Devi Sita, of what use is my effort? What would I have accomplished? Mamedan langhanam vyarthan sagarasya bhavishyati Praveshaschaiva lankaya rakshasanancha darshanam. My crossing the ocean, my entry into Lanka and my survey of the Rakshasas would all be useless. Kim mam vakshyati sugrivo harayo va samagataha Kishkindhan samanupraptam tauva dasharathatmajau. What would Sugriva or even the Vanaras or the two sons of Dasharatha say when I reach Kishkindha? Gatva tu yadi kakutstham vakshyami paramapriyam na drishteti maya sita tatastyakshati jivitam. If I go there and report to my dear Rama that I have not seen Devi Sita, he would definitely give up his life. Parusham darunam kruram tikshnamindriyatapanam Sita nimittan durvakyan shrutva sana bhavishyati. He will definitely not live on upon hearing anything harsh, dreadful, cruel, sharp or ill-intentioned towards Devi Sita. Tantu krichragatan drishtva panchattvagatamanasam Bhrushanurakto medhavi na bhavishyati Lakshmanaha. Seeing Rama in such a painful state, wise Lakshmana, who has given his life to Rama and to whom he is deeply devoted, will also not survive. Vinashtau bhratarau shrutva bharatopi marishyati Bharatancha mritan drishtva shatrughno na bhavishyati. On hearing the death of both the brothers, Bharata will also die. On seeing this, Shatrughna will also not live. Putran mritan samikshyatha na bhavishyanti matarah Kausalya cha Sumitra cha Kaikeyi cha na sanshayah. Upon seeing the dead forms of their children, even their mothers, Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi, will also undoubtedly leave their bodies. Kritagnyas satyasandhascha Sugrivav plavagadhipaha Raman tatha gatan drishtva tatastyakshati jivitam. On seeing that Rama has ended his life, the grateful and truthful leader of Kapis, Sugriva, will also give up his life. Durmana vyathita dina nirananda tapasvini Pidita bhartrashokena rumatyakshati jivitam. Distressed, disheartened, pained and grieved on the account of her husband Sugriva's death, the austere Devi Ruma too will leave her body. Valijena tu dukhena pidita shokakarshita panchatvancha gateragni tara pina bhavishyati. Devi Tara, who is already troubled by Vali's death and tortured with grief, will not live when King Sugriva dies too. Mata pitror vinashena Sugriva vyasanena cha kumaropyangadah kasmad dharayishyati jivitam. On the account of his parents' death and also because of Sugriva's parting, Angada too will give up his life. Bhartrajena tu dukhena hyabhibhuta vanaukasaha shiransyabhihanishyanti talair mushtibhirevacha. The Vanaras might hit themselves with their palms and fists out of their grief, born out of the parting of their Lord. Santvenanupradanena manena cha yashasvina lalitah kapirajena pranastyakshanti vanaraha. The Vanaras, who were brought up by their king's kind words, deeds and care, will certainly give up their lives. Navaneshu na shaileshu na nirodheshu va punaha kridamanubhavishyanti sametya kapikunjaraha. The chiefs among Vanaras will no longer play and celebrate together as usual in those forests, mountains and caves. Saputradara samatya bhartruvyasana piditaha shailagrebhyah patishyanti sameshu vishameshu cha. Tormented by their king's death, the Vanaras with their wives, children and followers will throw themselves from the mountain peaks onto the rough plains. Vishamudbandhanam vapi praveshanjvalanasya va upavasamatho shastram pracharishyanti vanaraha. The Vanaras will put an end to their lives by poisoning themselves, hanging, self-immolation, killing themselves with weapons or by fasting unto death. Ghoramarodhanam manye gate mayi bhavishyati ikshvakukula nashascha nashaschaiva vanaukasam. If I go back there without finding Devi Sita, I think it will cause the destruction of both the Ikshvakus and the Vanaras and will only lead to dreadful crying and sorrow. Sohannaiva gamishyami kishkindhan nagari mitaha nacha shakshyam yahan drashtum sugrivam maithilim vina. I will not go to the city of Kishkindha from here or to Sugriva without finding Devi Maithili. I would not be able to face him. Maya gacchati chehasthe dharmatmanau maharatho ashayatau dharishyete vanarascha manasvinaha. If I do not return and stay back here, the pious and valiant brothers and the Vanaras might stay alive in the hopes of my return. Hastadano mukhadano niyato vrikshamulikaha vanaprastho bhavishyami yadrishtva janakatmajam sagaranu deshe bahumula phalodake. If I don't find Devi Janaki, I will stay here and live like a hermit, subsisting on whatever is available on the seashore, which has an abundance of roots, fruits and water. Chitang krutva pravekshyami samidhamarani sutam upavishtasya vasamyak linginin sadhayishyatah shariram bhakshayishyanti vayasashvapadani cha. I will prepare a funeral pyre and enter it, and may the sea waves wash off my ashes. Or I'll sit here fasting unto death and let the crows and wild beasts eat up my body. Idam maharshibhirdrishtam niryanamiti me matihi samyagapah pravekshyami nachet pashyami janakim. If I do not find Devi Sita, I'll walk into the ocean and drown. Maybe this is the process of niryana that the ancient sages perceive. Sujatamula subhaga kirti mala yashasvini प्रभग्नाचिररात्रियं मम सीतामपश्यतः. This auspicious and glorious night, which started beautifully, has now been to utter waste, as I could not find Devi Sita. तापसो वा भविष्यामि नियतो वृक्षमूलिकः नीतः प्रतिगमिष्यामि ताम दृष्ट्वासि ते क्षणाम्. Or I'll become an ascetic and perform penance under a tree. Without having seen the dark-eyed Devi Sita, I'll not go back from here. यदि तः प्रतिगच्छामि सीतामनधिगम्यताम् अंगदः सह तैः सर्वैर्वानरैर्न भविष्यति. Besides, if I go back without finding Devi Sita, all the Vanaras, including Angada, will perish. विनाशे बहवो दोषा जीवन भद्राणि पश्यति तस्मात् प्राणान् धरिष्यामि ध्रुवो जीवितसंगमः. There are too many sins attached with suicide. Only by being alive can one experience auspiciousness. I shall therefore hold on to my life. एवं बहुविधं दुःखं मनसा धारयन् मुहुः नाध्यगच्छत्तदा पारं शोकस्य कपिकुञ्जरः. With all such sorrowful thoughts running through his mind again and again, mighty Hanuman could see no end to his grief. रावणं वा वधिष्यामि दशग्रीवं महाबलं काममस्तु हृता सीता प्रत्याचीर्णं भविष्यति. He thought, I will kill that 10-headed mighty Ravana. This shall be an appropriate response for his evil act of abducting Devi Sita, and it shall also fulfill my desire for revenge. अथवैनं समुत्क्षिप्य उपर्युपरि सागरम् रामायोपहरिष्यामि पशुं पशुपतेरिव. Or else I shall drag him over the sea and place him on his knees before Rama, like a bull placed before Lord Shiva. इति चिन्तां समापन्नः सीतामनधिगम्यताम् ध्यानशोकपरीतात्मा चिन्तयामास वानरः. Distressed over his inability to find Sita, Hanuman's mind was completely overcome with sorrow, and he started thinking further. यावत् सीतां हि पश्यामि रामपत्नीं यशस्विनीं तावदेतां पुरीं लङ्कां विचिनोमि पुनः पुनः. Until I find the glorious Devi Sita, the wife of Lord Rama, I shall not leave this Lanka and shall keep searching everywhere again and again. सम्पाति वचनाच्चापि रामं यद्यानयाम्यहम् अपश्यन् राघवो भार्यान् निर्दहेत् सर्ववानरान्. Had I brought Raghava following the words of Sampati, Rama, unable to find his wife, would have burnt all the Vanaras. Ihaiva niyataharo vatsyami niyatendriyah namatkrute vinashyeyuh sarve te naravanaraha. I will stay here itself, restricting my food and controlling my senses. Let all those Naras and Vanaras not perish on my behalf. अशोकवनिकाचेयन् दृश्यते या महाद्रुमा इमामधिगमिष्यामि नहीयं विचिता मया. There I can see the Ashoka grove with large trees. I shall go there. I haven't searched there yet. वसून् रुद्रांस्तथादित्यान् अश्विनौ मरुतोऽपि च नमस्कृत्वा गमिष्यामि रक्षसान् शोकवर्धनः. I shall offer my prayers to the 8 Vasus, 11 Rudras, 12 Adityas, 2 Ashwini Devatas. These form 33 kind of Devatas, and my father, the wind god. I shall give these Rakshasas more trouble. Jitva tu Rakshasan sarva nikshva kukulanandinim sampradasyami Ramaya yatha siddhin tapasvine. I will defeat all the Rakshasas and deliver Devi Sita to Lord Rama, like a siddhi is delivered to an ascetic. Sah muhurtamivadhyatva chintavagrathitendriyah udatishtan mahateja Hanuman marutatmajah. The brilliant son of Maruta, Hanuman, whose senses were overwhelmed with worries, regained his composure meditated for a while, and stood up. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai cha tasyai Janakatmajayai Namostu Rudrendrayamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrarka Marudganebhyah. I bowed down to Lord Rama along with Lakshmana. I bowed down to Devi Sita, the daughter of King Janaka. I bowed down to Rudra, Indra, Yama and Anila. I bowed down to the moon, the sun and the Maruts. Satebhyastu namaskritya Sugrivaya cha Marutihi Dishas sarvas samalokya Yashokavanikam prati. Having offered his prayers to all of them, as well as to his king Sugriva, he examined all his surroundings and went towards the Ashoka grove. Sagatva manasa purvam ashokavanikan shubham uttaranchintayamasa vanaro marutatmajah. Hanuman reached that auspicious Ashokavana and started thinking again about his task ahead. Dhruvantu raksho bahula bhavishyati vanakula Ashokavanika punya sarva sanskara sanskrita. This Ashoka grove is filled with many trees, well tended to, and is guarded by many Rakshasas. It must be a sacred place. Rakshinaschatra vihita nunan rakshanti padapam Bhagavanapi sarvatma natikshobham pravati vai Sankshiptoyam mayatma cha ramarthe ravanasya cha. The guards posted here are surely protecting this sacred grove. The all-pervading breeze is also blowing gently in this place. For the sake of Rama and to protect myself from Ravana, I shall contract my body and stay hidden. Siddhim me samvidhasyanti devas sarshiganastviha Brahma swayambhur bhagavan devas chaiva dishantu me. May the Creator Brahma, all the other devas and sages grant me this siddhi. Siddhim agnischa vayuscha puruhutascha vajrabhrit Varunah pashahastascha somadityau tathaiva cha. May the deities Agni, Vayu, Indra who carries the lightning, Varuna, Yama who holds the noose, Soma and Aditya grant me siddhis as well. Ashvinau cha mahatmanau maruta sharva eva cha Siddhin sarvani bhutani bhutanam chaiva yah prabhuhu Dasyanti mama ye chanye hyadrishtah pathi gocharaha. May the Ashwini Devatas, Maruts and Lord Sharva who rules over all elements, who stay invisible but are felt in my path to success, grant me siddhis. Tadunnasam panduradantamavranam Shuchismitam padma palashalocanam Drakshye vadanam kadanvaham Prasannataradhipatulya darshanam. Oh, when and how would I behold that beautiful face of Devi Sita, which shines like a moon, resplendent with a pleasant smile, a beautiful row of teeth, and with eyes like lotus petals. Kshudrena papena nrishansa karmana Sudarunalankrita veshadharina Balabhibhuta hyabala tapasvini Kathannu me drishti pathedhyasa bhavet. Abducted by force by the evil, sinful act of Ravana, who came in a deceitful disguise, how shall I find the frail and austere Devi Sita in my search? Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Sundarakande Trayodasha Sargaha. Thus, the 13th chapter in Sundarakanda of Valmiki Ramayanam is complete.